In this video I am going to tell you how to hide MiniPlayer automatically turns on your Spotify in web version. So you can see this is the MiniPlayer. You can see if I open this, it is show like this, but it automatically pop up so many times. So you can see there is an option view site information in the minibar. You can see here my cursor. Just tap on this and you can see automatically picture in. Just turn this option off and close this and close this, and then now it will not pop up automatically, this MiniPlayer. And I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can reset your browser as well, and because sometime it is related to browser issue as well. In case you find this video helpful, just hit the like button, also subscribe my channel for